हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, मी बाळासाहेब निवडुंगे, उपशिक्षक, ढोकेश्वर विद्यालय टाके ढोकेश्वर. फर्स्ट वेलकम इन द ऑनलाइन टेस्ट ऑफ अहमदनगर जिल्हा मराठा विद्याप्रसारक समाज अहमदनगर in 10th standard subject mathematics paper first quadratic equation. Now you know that in quadratic equation we have studied three methods for solving quadratic equations: nature of roots of quadratic equation and relation between roots and coefficient of quadratic equation. Now today we are going to study to form quadratic equations if roots are given. So for that purpose, let us consider the roots alpha and beta. If alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation in variable x, then for x is equal to alpha and x is equal to beta, the quadratic equation must satisfy. That is, x is equal to alpha and x is equal to beta. So transfer alpha and beta to the left hand side. We have x minus alpha is equal to 0 and x minus beta is equal to 0. Now taking product of these two equation, left hand side into left hand side is equal to right hand side into right hand side. We have x minus alpha into x minus beta is equal to 0. Now taking product of these two binomial, so multiply by x to the second bracket minus alpha into second bracket. We have x into x minus beta minus alpha into x minus beta. Therefore x into x, x square, minus beta x minus alpha into x minus alpha x minus alpha into minus beta plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Now taking common negative sign to the left hand side and variable x to the right hand side, we have x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. So this is the formula for finding the quadratic equation if roots alpha and beta are given. That is, in a word, x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equal to 0. It means that if we know the sum of the roots and product of the roots for the required quadratic equation, then we can obtain that quadratic equation. Now let us study some examples. First example, obtain the quadratic equation if roots are minus 3 and minus 7. Solution. Now let alpha is equal to minus 3 and beta is equal to minus 7. First find alpha plus beta. Therefore alpha plus beta is equal to minus 3 plus minus 7, which is equal to minus 10. That is, the sum of roots is equal to minus 10. Alpha into beta is equal to minus 3 into minus 7 is equal to 21. It means that product of the roots is equal to 21. Therefore, by the formula, the required quadratic equation is x square minus time alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Now substituting the value of alpha plus beta minus 10 and product of the roots alpha beta is equal to 21, we have x square minus time minus 10x plus 21 is equal to 0. Therefore x square plus 10x plus 21 is equal to 0. Therefore, the required quadratic equation is x square plus 10x plus 21 is equal to 0. Consider the another example. Obtain the quadratic equation if roots are 2 minus root 5 plus and 2 plus root 5. Observe that both roots are irrational roots and which occur in the conjugate pair. So let first root alpha and second root beta. So let alpha is equal to 2 minus root 5 and beta is equal to 2 plus root 5. Take first sum of roots alpha plus beta is equal to 2 minus root 5 plus 2 plus root 5. Now plus root 5 minus root 5 is 0. We have plus 2 is equal to plus 4. So sum of the roots is equal to 4. Now product of the roots alpha into beta is equal to 2 minus root 5 into 2 plus root 5. It means that this is in the form a minus b into a plus b. So we have a square minus b square. So 2 square is 4 minus root 5 square is 5. So 4 minus 5 is equal to minus 1. So product of the roots is equal to minus 1 and sum of the roots is equal to 4. Therefore, the required quadratic equation is x square minus time in bracket alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Now substituting the values of alpha plus beta and alpha beta, we have x square minus 4 into x plus minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. It means that the required quadratic equation is x square minus 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now let us take another example. Example third. Obtain the quadratic equation if roots are 3 upon a 4 and minus 3 upon a 4. So these roots are here fractions. So let alpha is equal to 3 upon a 4 and beta is equal to minus 3 upon a 4. First take sum alpha plus beta 3 upon a 4 plus minus 3 upon a 4. 3 upon a 4 plus and minus 3 upon a 4 cancel, we get sum is equal to 0. So sum of the roots is equal to 0 and product of the roots alpha into beta is equal to 3 upon a 4 into minus 3 upon a 4. Now product of the fractions means numerator into numerator, 3 into minus 3 is equal to minus 9 and denominator into denominator means 4 into 4 is equal to 16. So product of the roots is equal to minus 9 upon 16. Therefore, the required quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Substituting the values of alpha plus beta and alpha beta, we have x square minus 0x plus minus 9 upon 16 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus 9 upon 16 is equal to 0. Now multiply throughout by LCM of denominator 16. So we have 16x square minus 9 is equal to 0. It means that the required quadratic equation is 16x square minus 9 is equal to 0. So dear students, in this way we can obtain any quadratic equation if the roots of that quadratic equations are given. So thank you विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, व्हिडिओ जर आपणास आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि सर्वात आधी आपणास व्हिडिओ मिळवण्यासाठी सबस्क्राईब करा, बेल आयकॉन दाबा. धन्यवाद.